Okay, I'm here on my second full day of work at Huaca, Rajada. Listen to some birds and looking at this guava tree. Just the bus going by. You can see this fruit that's hanging down. It's actually has a white meat inside with some black seeds. It's supposed to be very tasty. I have not yet eaten it, but it's supposed to be very, very good. Actually, I want to pick one and eat one. If they let me. But the birds are the birds are really pretty. I wish I could see one. You can see the fruit here hanging. It's quite large. I don't know if you can see that red bird there. Red, gray, white. He's the one making all the noise.